Hey man, what's up everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, man. People tapping in, people really investing their money, getting these gems, getting the information that they need to win, really learn how to invest, really learn how to make all profits, sitting on all that good type of stuff. Let them know what you got.
Hey, y'all tap in, man, for real. Everything legit, but for real, bro. Y'all tap in, bro, for real, man.
What all you learn?
Shit, learn how about my CPU, learn how to fucking build a CPU. Goddamn, what the hell I'm about to do with this Telegram shit. I ain't even want to say too much, cause I mean,
I feel you.
motherfuckers got to
What else you learn? What else you learn?
Yeah.
Did I
Shit.
drop some? Did I give you a lot of information how to make these quick thousands?
How y'all niggas need to be thinking moving forward, bro. Word, bro, like, y'all niggas
I
tripping,
didn't
bro.
pay him to do nothing. It's really Telegram. You know what I'm saying? It's really Telegram, all that good stuff like that. Say no fake. I ain't pay him nothing like that. Y'all be thinking, oh, he paid him. No, this ain't none of that. Just real business. I would never pay nobody to give me no voucher. Why would I pay somebody to vouch for me when I can get a free voucher and then pay me? Point blank period. Make it make sense. All right. But when you pay me, I'm gonna make sure you get all the information that you need to win, succeed, and elevate in life. Point blank period. That's the mission. That's the goal. Ain't no scamming going on. Ain't none of that going on. Pure business, real business. Come get y'all lessons. Come win. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next lesson video. Peace.